Hello family, welcome back to the channel once again. This is Brian Reaction. So if you're coming across any of my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. To my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys for the love and support. Now in today's video is all about this Jamaican sprinter in the track and field by the name Brianna Liston. Brianna Liston is one of the greatest sprinters in Jamaica, and by the way, she was ranked the second fastest in 2022. So she's one of the Jamaica's favorite best sprinter. Now I have managed to collect some of her best memories, some of her videos I want you to watch, and I'll be back with a few reactions.
Kaliza Smith, fourth in the 100 meters. Personal best there, 24.08, her best at 200. Lane 4, surprise 400 champion, ran a blistering 52.32 to strike gold.
Peaking perfectly for the Carifta Games.
23.59 at 200. In lane number 3, the 100 bronze medalist Shaniqua Bascom of Trinidad and Tobago.
Beat Liston to win the under 17 200 title 3 years ago.
23.36 on that day. Still her personal best. She's in 3, the Trinidadian. In lane 2, from the British Virgin Islands, Kenyatta Great. 24.91 in qualifying. Second slowest to this final. Needs a massive run to have a shot at a medal. And on the inside, the second Trinidadian in the lineup, Kyle Fortune, slowest qualifier at 25.08.
Kayla Kelly in lane 4 had a personal best of 1 second faster in her 400 victory last night. Could this be another day for another PR?
Meet record 22.77, Jamaican junior record 22.50, both on the chopping block right now.
Brianna Liston in lane number 6.
Set.
Up they go. Brianna Liston responds to the gun well. Already closes down on Archer of the Bahamas and Bob of Bermuda. The Jamaican runs a super curve. Smith of Guyana running well, as is Bascom of Trinidad and Tobago. But they are well back as Brianna Liston pours it on down the stretch. Liston to the line. Outside 23 seconds, 23.17. Brianna Liston secures Carifta gold over 200 meters to add to her relay world under 20 record performance last night. 23.16, the time adjusted to for Brianna Liston.
Brianna Liston had a cracking start. I think she's slightly disappointed with what has happened with that run, but a very good performance nonetheless.
Ran the race like a semi-final where you want to get into good position. Great start, great turn. That's Bascom. She among those chasing for a medal. Well back behind Liston. Powerfully built. Carifta under 17 200 champion. Got a medal in the 100 earlier this week during these championships, but well back behind Liston today. Liston on screen now.
The athletes settling behind their blocks from the inside. Walton, Great Britain. Garcia, Cuba. Bra Pedersen, United States. Jinqui of South Africa. Liston of Jamaica. Jamison of the United States. Emana Ulidu of Greece. And Reed of Jamaica on the outside. Jamison there, another huge improver in 2022. She's improved by 0.7 of a second. More than 5 meters that represents on the track. The final of the women's 200 meters is underway, and Liston is already up, and she's got Jamison in her sights, and she's now moved on to the American shoulder. So it's Liston who has the lead. She comes into the straight. She's running away from this field. Jamison starting to try and get back to her, but Liston is away, and it is going to be another goal for Jamaica. Fine run from Jamison, who came through for the silver medal, and Alana Reid came through for the bronze. So It's not a 1-2 for Jamaica, but Brianna Liston has come splashing through the rain in Cali, and unfortunately it's ended in pain for the South African Vive Jinque. She is lying on the track about 20 meters short of the finish line, but there is our champion, 22.65, and when you consider the conditions, that is very, very good indeed.
One more time, each side.
That's your swimming team.
St. Kitts and Nevis, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, British Virgin Islands and Bermuda. Penultimate race of Carifta 50. 4x4 final for under 20 girls. The Bahamians in the lineup.
That's Frederick, the 200 champion.
Quiet for the start, please. Quiet for the start.
There's Tony and Beckford leading off the Jamaica team.
Stand behind your blocks. On your mark.
Final girls event of Carifta 50.
Set.
Off they go. 4x400 for under 20 girls.
Sponsored by Porky's Baby. Out in front. Here's Bermuda.
Sol Frederick leading off for Trinidad and Tobago.
Jamaica.
British Virgin Islands go out well in lane number 6. The Trinbagonians are going well. Tony and Beckford trying to get into the picture for the Jamaicans. Bahamas will have some work to do coming into the straightaway, but they start to respond as well. Down the home stretch they come. Bahamas in the mix now, moving beautifully on this opening leg. The Bahamians, Bahamas and Jamaica. Jamaica have put their big gun on the second leg. Jamaica changing just ahead of the Bahamas. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, has the baton for the black, green and gold.
Fine first leg, 54.8 for Beckford.
Down the back stretch they go. Ricky and Russell stretches the advantage. The 200 champion, Sania Frederick on this second leg for Trinidad and Tobago. And she sprints into second position. The Bahamians in third. Jamaica well clear once again. Bahamas now back in second position. Frederick starting to struggle. Down the home stretch. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, leading the Jamaicans. Here she comes to make the second change. Jamaica well clear.
51-8 for Russell.
British Virgin Islands now in second position.
Christian Powell looking good on this third leg for Jamaica. Bahamas fight back and regain second place. Real battle for the silver and the bronze.
3:31.47, the Carifta record held by Jamaica. And Casey and Powell with a massive advantage. Down the home stretch. Powell for Jamaica. Battle on for silver, Trinidad and Tobago, British Virgin Islands and Bahamas. But the Bahamians have Valcourt on the anchor leg. That should secure them the silver. The Jamaicans are well clear.
53-4 for Powell. Valcourt.
Well, it's not Valcourt who is on the anchor leg for the Bahamians.
Ran last night. Great lead-off leg. And Jamaica clear in front here.
Abigail Campbell on the anchor leg for Jamaica.
Last year's under 17 400 champion in Kingston gets the glory leg.
And glory it shall be. Campbell turns into the straightaway. Jamaica well clear. Battle really on for the silver medal. Abigail Campbell will lead the Jamaicans to gold in the 4x400. They close the girls' side of Carifta 50 with a fabulous performance. Silver will go to Trinidad and Tobago. And the Bahamians take bronze. British Virgin Islands out of the medals in fourth.
Valcourt ran on the mixed relay last night. And the Bahamian coaches share the glory around for the bronze medal team. That's Jamaica.
42.58, the Carifta record set in 2022 by Jamaica. The Bahamian team stepping out. Oh yeah. They'll want the changes to be as slick as that pose. Under 20 girls 4x100 final.
So we actually lost 3 teams from the semi-finals. Guyana is not there, unfortunately. No Tiana Springer, no Narissa McPherson. They're going to be running the 4x4 mixed, hopefully a little bit later. We've got Antigua and Barbuda withdrawing as well, and Barbados.
So Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, British Virgin Islands, Grenada, Guadeloupe, and Martinique. The teams set to take part here. British Virgin Islands. Oh wow, they would love to have a Deja Hodge now. That's Amia Todman for the BVI. Here's the lineup from the inside. Grenada, Martinique, British Virgin Islands, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Guadeloupe, and Bahamas. 7 teams going in this final.
And Todman on that third leg with Soleil Frederick.
Trinidad and Tobago team, they have the Frederick sisters, one would suppose. They also have Symphony Patrick to choose from.
Khadija Pickering, I think, maybe leading off for them.
Jamaica being led off by Habiba Harris, the 12.95 sprint hurdler, takes the opening leg for the Jamaicans. They are expected to have a fine team. Tiana Lee Terrelong, Sabrina Dockery, Shania Douglas possibly in their lineup as well. Guadeloupe. Guadeloupe will be in lane number 6. They have...
You see on your screen there, will be leading off for Trinidad and Tobago. The Frederick twins will go second and third.
Set.
Cleanly away this time for the 4x100 final for under 20 girls. Trinidad and Tobago up well with Symphony Patrick. Abiba Harris runs a good first leg for the Jamaicans as well. The Jamaicans change safe and first. Tiana Lee Terrelong, the 100 silver medalist, goes flying by Frederick. Jamaica ahead of Trinidad and Tobago. Here's the change for the Jamaicans. Soleil Frederick on the third leg for Trinidad and Tobago, but it's Jamaica with the advantage. This is where the battle is expected to be. Here's the final change. Jamaica ahead of TNT. Down the home stretch they come. Trinidad and Tobago trying to close, but the Jamaicans pull away through Shania Douglas. 43-61. Another terrific performance by the black, green and gold. That's 3 in a row in the relays. They are on course for another sweep at the Carifta Games. They swept the 1500s yesterday, and they are very much on course in the 4x100s. Pickering taking home Trinidad and Tobago to a well-deserved silver medal.
Trinidad and Tobago, and of course the ladies from the Bahamas in second and third. Trinidad and Tobago 44.43 seconds.
So welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched that full race. Wow, another Jamaica sprinter dominating the Caribbean, dominating the world, dominating in the 200-meter race, both in the Caribbean, in the world, taking the gold home for Jamaica, raising Jamaican flag high. These are the videos I love to see. At a very young age, she's really dominating in the 200-meter race, and she has proven to the world that she is the best, one of the greatest sprinters in Jamaica. And by the way, Brianna Liston, she was born in May 2004, and she has specialized in the track and field 200-meter race. As I told you, she was ranked the second fastest in 2022. And when you are ranked, you have obviously done something great. So she won a race with an incredible record, and she was ranked the second fastest sprinter in Jamaica. So in today's video is all about her. We have been doing videos of people like Alana Reid, Sherika Jackson, the sisters. So in today's video is basically, I want us to talk about Brianna Liston. Now, she is obviously from Jamaica, and you have seen in the first race how she managed to destroy the other Caribbean athletes, and she won with an incredible record of 23.16, dominating the Caribbean completely. So she is one of the greatest of all in the Caribbean. But now in the second race is where I like the most, because in this race she was competing against the best sprinters across the world. South Africa, USA. We all know USA are also the greatest threats to Jamaica. USA also in the sprinting nation, USA have been doing also very, very good. So in any race you see a Jamaica and USA present, then you just know it's either Jamaica taking it home or USA. But in this case, Brianna Liston decided she's not allowing USA to take this gold home. So she took the gold home, and this record was incredible, 22.65. And by the way, this is one of the greatest 200-meter race you will ever see. Brianna Liston from Jamaica winning and taking it home all the time. So she has been dominating in the 200-meter race and she is unstoppable. So congratulations once again to this Jamaican sprinter, winning and winning for Jamaica, racing Jamaica flag high. And this is why I told you guys that Jamaica is blessed. Jamaica is blessed. Jamaica, they have sprinters in all the competition, be it the 100, be it the 4x100, be it the 200. They have the best sprinters everywhere and they are winning. They cannot go past number 3. It's either number 1, number 2, or number 3. They will either take the gold home, the bronze, or the silver. They must take something. So Jamaicans have been nominating in these short sprints and it makes me feel so good. We all know Jamaicans are our brothers and sisters, and when they are winning, we are also winning. So you have seen this Brianna Liston sprinter from Jamaica, how she's winning races, how she's dominating in the 200-meter race. Jamaicans are very happy and are very blessed. You know, they have these young sprinters who will be sprinting in Jamaica, who will be making Jamaica proud in the coming years. So the future of Jamaica in athlete is well preserved because we have people like Alana Reid, Sherika Jackson who are competing at that particular age, and when they are old and they cannot, do it once again, we have these upcoming athletes like Brianna Liston who are coming up and showing the world that in future they will be the future of Jamaica sprinting in all categories. So congratulations Team Jamaica for always making us proud once again, for dominating in all the shortest and dominating on all the short races across the world. So congratulations to you. So I don't know what you guys have to say about this incredible performance from this Jamaica's Brianna Liston, because in all the races that she has competed in, she has won gold for Jamaica. So she's that one sprinter who does not fail. She dominates and dominates in all the races that she competes in. So this is something that we love seeing. So thank you for watching. In the comment section, you can tell me what you think about her performance in these races and we can all interact. So thank you. Until my next clip, peace out.